Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dream Channel. Academic Dream Channel is a channel in which we continuously discussing about different topics of B.Ed under NCTE. So in the continuation of our discussion, today we will learn a topic from the subject method of teaching social science. It is a method paper in short, method of teaching social science. The topic is taken in the form of question. The question is said in this way: name the different methods used for teaching social science. Let us see the question once again very clearly. Name the different methods used for teaching social science. So, different methods. Ultimately, what is the first part of the question? Here, two parts of the question. In the first part of the question, different methods used in teaching social science. And in second part, discuss the problem solving method. That means problem solving method is one of the methods of teaching social science, and we will discuss that method in short form. In short. So now let us turn to the main topic directly. First of all, actually this question, dear trainees, will remind, this question is asked in different universities in B.Ed level in different times, as we have observed some of the universities like in Bodoland University, Guwahati University in Assam, then one of the question as I have seen in West Bengal. So I mean to say this question is very important and related to our topics. Let us see. So what are the different methods? Number one, we have pointed out lecture method, textbook method. Number 3, assignment method. Number 4, project method. Number 5, problem solving method. Number 6, discussion method. These all are some of the methods which are used in teaching social science in secondary level. Dear trainees, you observe lecture method is common classroom method which can be used in teaching social science in the discussion of history or in explanation of geography or anywhere. It is a common method, we cannot avoid it. Textbook method means a teacher simply follow the textbook while he deliver any class or give a short lecture. Assignment method, this method is comparatively new in comparison to lecture and textbook method. In assignment method, teacher gives some assignment, that means asked to write some question answer usually, and it is the duty of the student to solve those questions. Project method, this is a special method. This is a particular type of method, and this is a modern method of teaching social science, which means solving the problem in a social environment. A project is a wholehearted, purposeful activity carrying out in social environment. So whatever we do practically to solve some problem, that means we are doing some project, because project includes a report. Number 5, problem solving method. So we have got difference between these two. Problem solving and project appear similar from the words and sometimes if you compare the meaning also, but there are some differences between project and problem solving method. Actually, for project and problem solving is more or less similar. I mean to say are more or less similar, but what is the difference between these two? The problem of project, the problems of projects are practical in nature. Student must do something by hand and head. And in problem solving method, the nature of the problem problem are usually mental in nature. Here nothing to do by hand or using some tools. So we will discuss problem solving method clearly later on. Later on means after 6 number point, that is discussion method. This is also one of the common classroom method. Discussion method means arranging discussion, or discussion method means the teacher may create the environment for discussion, or to give viewpoints. The teacher may take some topic on which he may lead or arrange an environment to discuss in group of the children. However, discussion may be again two types: panel discussion and group discussion. So simply discussion method, panel discussion and group discussion. In group discussion, all the audience take participation. That means all the members make group and participate under the leading of teacher or someone. But in panel discussion, 3 to 7 participants take participation and all others are audience. So this is the difference. However, dear trainees, you will remember in teaching social science, lecture method, textbook method, assignment method, project method, problem solving method, and discussion method, these all are commonly used method. Now in second part of the topic, we have taken in the form of question, discuss problem solving method. So what is problem solving method? That I will say in short. Problem solving method is a kind of method in which problems are released in front of the children in the form of question, and children, it is the duty of the children or student to find the solution of those questions. So one question we may take, for example, how can we have peace in the world? You have nothing to do practically. You cannot color it, you cannot draw it, but we must think about the problem, how can we have peace in the world? This problem cannot be a problem of doing project. It is a part of problem solving method only, because the solution of the problem you must find out mentally. So there are basically 5 steps of problem solving method. There are, here I have written steps, but you see numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 steps in problem solving method. Any topic you teach in the classroom, any topic a teacher teach in the classroom by using problem solving method, he must follow all these 5 steps. Number 1, define the problem. That means which problem the children are going to solve. Then brainstorm idea. That means the problem must be taken in such a way that children need to think very widely and deeply. Decide on a solution. After deep thinking, children will find out the solution, and that solution or ways and means which is found out mentally, that should be implemented practically to see the result. And finally, we must review the result, whether we have solved the problem or whether the children were unable to solve the problem. whether the children were really went into the problem. So why this method is important? Finally, in conclusion, you must write, because this method develops skills of solving problem. That is very important point of student's life or human life. Then develops self-confidence. More the children will solve the problem, more they will be acquainted with different kinds of problem. It will be very helpful to develop their self-confidence, and self-confidence is the best confidence. Next, number 3, prepare challenge taking individual. When the children will take a number of problems every day through a problem solving method in teaching social science, they will gradually develop a kind of personality that they will be able to face any kind of problem. That means this method, problem solving method, prepares challenge taking individual. This method prepares all the children challenge taking individual in future. Dear trainees, I think so you have understood better today. We will meet once again by taking some new problems of this method. Till then, thank you.